Once you determine your keys have been stolen, lost, or unaccounted for, locate your Rekeying kit and open it. Inside, you'll find a trifold card that indicates the step you'll be changing to, along with the list of doors needing rekeying. Open the trifold card and you'll see you have your next set of operating keys, along with step-by-step instructions and a step change key with a red dot on it. You will need to take your step change key, an existing operating key, and a new operating key to conduct the rekey on your door. Now let's rekey your padlock. You'll need your step change key with the red dot. You'll insert it into the padlock core. You want to push down the shackle in a closed position, turn your step change key to the right, then back to the center, pull the key out, and you'll notice a pin has fallen out. You want to take your old operating key and you'll notice it no longer works in the core. Now you may begin using your new operating keys. As you can see, you have successfully rekeyed your padlock. If you have any questions, please contact InstaKey Security Systems.